Can I have an orange juice, please? Can I have an orange juice, please?
Regular or large? Regular or large?
How big is a large? How big is a large?
This is a large, this is a regular. This is a large, this is a regular.
I'll have a large then, please. Without ice. I'll have a large then, please. Without ice.
Okay, coming up. Okay, coming up.
Sorry, I wanted freshly squeezed orange juice. Sorry, I wanted freshly squeezed orange juice.
I'm afraid we only have bottled juices. I'm afraid we only have bottled juices.
Oh, then I'll have an apple juice instead, please. Oh, then I'll have an apple juice instead, please.
Here you go. That's £3.50, please. Here you go. That's £3.50, please.
Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. Can I help anyone? Can I help anyone?
Who's next? Who's next?
You were first, I think. You were first, I think.
What teas do you have? What teas do you have?
Breakfast tea, mint and green tea. Breakfast tea, mint and green tea.
Mint tea and a slice of lemon cake, please. Mint tea and a slice of lemon cake, please.
To eat in or take away? To eat in or take away?
Take away, please. Take away, please.
There you go. That'll be £4.20, please. There you go. That'll be £4.20, please.
Oh, sorry, I've only got a 50. Oh, sorry, I've only got a 50.
That's okay. Here's your change. 5, 10, 30, 50. That's okay. Here's your change. 5, 10, 30, 50. Who's next? Who's next?
Can I have a...
Sorry, I think I was in front of you.
Can I have a...
Sorry, I think I was in front of you.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry.
Can I have a chocolate chip cookie, please? Can I have a chocolate chip cookie, please?
Would you like a drink with that? Would you like a drink with that?
No thanks, just the cookie. No thanks, just the cookie.
Okay then, that's 95p, please. Okay then, that's 95p, please.
Thanks. I think that's right. Thanks. I think that's right.
50, 70, 80, 85, 90, 92, 94. Yep, 95. Thank you. 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, 92, 94. Yep, 95. Thank you.